Today, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your JBC DMSE for optimal performance. First, plug the power cord into the DME. Next, take the stand cable and connect it to port 1 of the DME. Attach the other end of the stand cable to the ADS stand. Place the D245 on its stand, then connect the tool cable to it. Rotate the cable collector upwards and secure the tool cable to it. Now, plug the stand cable into port 2 of the DME or into the port that best fits your stand placement. Now, plug the stand cable into DRS stand. Place the DR560 on its stand, then connect its tool cable to it. Now, assemble the end of the tool suction cable and the silicone tube to the suction filter kit. Rotate the cable collector upwards and secure the tool cable to it. Mount the end of the suction cable onto the suction connector of the MSE. Next, plug the module cable into the in port of the MSE and connect the other end of the module cable to the peripherals port. Now you just need to plug the power cord of the MSE. Turn on the station. Finally, tap on Setup and choose the port where you connected the DRS stand of the DR560. Your soldering station is now fully connected and ready to use.